Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Shelly. Today I'm showing you what I am packing. I'm showing you my whole suitcase and everything for my trip to Hawaii. So I hope you enjoy this and that it helps you out. I'm sharing with you the awesome cube organizers that I got on Amazon. I totally recommend. I don't know how I ever packed without them before. So please keep on watching for that. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We're so close to 100. I'm hoping by the time this goes up, we are at 100. There will be a giveaway, so stay tuned for that announcement. And if you like this video, please hit the big thumbs up. And then after I show you my bag, then I'm gonna go ahead and clean my office because it is a disaster from all of this packing. So without further ado, let's get into it. Here is my giant suitcase, and I'm sorry if you see the background of this room because it is a mess, which is why I will need to do a cleaning video for this room. But this I've had for a really long time. It's just the brand Protege. In this front pocket, I have all these swim diapers in here for him. I took it out of the pack and put it in the front here. I have these like grocery bags because they don't do the plastic bags and I don't want to have to buy them when I'm there. We're going to Hawaii if you are new here. I also brought our window shades for him because the sun is crazy and I want to make sure that he's not getting sunburned when we're going adventuring in the car. So that's in this front pocket. And this top one here are Father's Day cards, extra headphones that I don't really need, a tie-up for my sarong, and then in the big boy here, sorry, all those, I am bringing this carrier. This is just by Infantino because if we're going on hikes or shopping, I want to have that. I have my bag with sunscreens, my Maui Brown, and the aloe vera that I swear by. It's like Burn to Brown is what it's called. It's amazing. It's really natural. I'm bringing my hammock that I got in Hawaii. I love this thing. I put in here those Tide Pods that you saw in my cleaning video. I have about 4 of them. Our condo has a washer and dryer, so I wanted to make sure to bring extras just in case, and I put it in a Tupperware so if it explodes, it's only in here. And then my curling iron, I'm not bringing a straightener because like there's no point in using it. This is really just for like going out to dinner and I do have curly hair. I have this amazing towel that was in the Target dollar spot, but it is a towel poncho, so you just put it over. Support my channel or help support my channel so that I can, you know, pump out some better quality. So let me know if that's something, if you would use the links if I have them, so that I know to sign up for it again. But this pack is full of my clothes. So it's a 6-pack organizer set, so 2 for like your big clothes, I folded the KonMari method for most of it, and then I just laid shorts flat on top. And then for my son, I put all of his clothes in here too. So just in one suitcase, I have everything for the both of us, and it all fits. I totally recommend these. I have just shorts, tank tops, and then I have like his swim shirts that have the SPF, a couple swim shorts. So all of it fit in here. I did the KonMari method, and then at the top I just laid things flat on top. I love that it has the mesh on the top, because then like there's no air built up, so it saves on space. I have my sarong on the bottom just laid flat. We're going to buy our towels there, but I did also bring a cute little bathrobe for him. That'll be easy for like the pool, I'm thinking. And then just like an extra romper, diapers, couple t-shirts for me for lounging. I have this folded. I need to buy gallon Ziplocs, but I keep forgetting every time I go to the store. So I hope these don't explode. They'll be fine. Okay. I bought these disposable placemats from the Dollar Tree. They stick to the table. Totally recommend that. There is a pack of 10 for just $1, but yeah, you just put their food on it and then you can throw it away, so you don't have to have it on their nasty tables because they're probably not very sanitary. I have this organizer here that has our toiletries, or some of them. So I bought these little travel size shampoo and conditioners. I love the coconut herbal essence scent, especially when I'm there. And then I just have wash rags for my son, his shampoo and lotion, Q-tips for him, stuff for medicine, his little toothbrush, and nose sucker because you never know, and then his brush. So that's what I put in here. Oh, now I'm not going to be able to put it in the same. But again, I love the mesh because it just, there's no restriction. And that's going in there. And then for this one, I did all of my swimsuits and my underwear and sports bras. Going in there. And then this one, I did our shoes, his hats. So I bought these shoes from Amazon. I'll also link them below, but they are going to be great for hiking. They're really comfortable. I can take them to the beach to walk around, everything. So those are going in here, and then there's some shoes for him, and then closed-toed shoes, little Sharkies, and then his hats. Hats are SPF, which is great as well because he doesn't have a lot of hair. And I can probably fit a couple extra things as well, which is good because I still need to do our chargers and all of that. So, yeah, she's probably good to go. That is everything I'm packing in there. I have my carry-on here. Go ahead and check that video out also. For a carry-on for a toddler and myself. So a lot of good stuff in there. But yeah, I need to clean up this room. It's a disaster. I'm gonna try and clean this up a little bit today on my lunch from work, and then I'll just take you along with me on that, and then the speed clean will be, on that other video will be like the whole house speed clean. So yeah, we leave in 2 days. So it's all kind of down to the wire. Yeah, let's get cleaning. I forgot about socks for my son for the carry-on, so I'm just gonna pack a bunch of them anyways. To tell you about this bag here that I'm bringing, so I'm gonna go ahead and break it down for you, show you what I have packed in there for my toiletries and makeup and all of that as well. So in this bag I have my birth control and other medication, and then I have my makeup removing wipes. In here I put some of my foaming face cleanser. I just did as many pumps, like I just did 5 to 7 pumps because I'm going to be gone for 5 days or 7 days, so I'm like, well, that's all I'll need, so I'm not going to bring the whole guy. It saves so much unpacking. Of course, my deodorant, I put like 7 pumps of my foundation in here. It looks like it's kind of oxidizing a little bit, but that way I don't bring more than I need. In here I have my face moisturizer, which is just the CeraVe. In here I have my Witch Hazel for my toner. In here I have my foundation primer, and I'm just using e.l.f. right now. This is the primer and I love it. I'm not much of a primer person, but I actually really love it. It makes my pores so smooth and it really does help my foundation last. And I am living for this Flawless Finish e.l.f. foundation in the color Sand. For my skin tone, it has such a natural finish. I love it. It feels moisturizing but not too heavy. So then I'm also bringing my hair ties, a travel size of toothpaste that I got at the dentist. I don't need this. Just some jewelry as well. And I think that's all I'm going to pack in there. I just have this little guy that I got on Amazon a while ago. It's super dirty. It could be washed, but I don't have time for that. So I wish I had a full size of powder. I'm not going to wear makeup that much, just for when we go out to dinner, and it'll be very light. And then my bronzer, it has like highlight in it. I'm sure my face will be tan or red, so that'll just give it a good highlight. My mirror, just an eyelash curler, my waterproof mascara, my NYX eyebrow pencil, and my NYX eyeliner, and then a beauty sponge. And that's literally all I'm bringing. I don't do my makeup a whole lot out there. And then I'll probably bring like a chapstick or something. So I just wanted the smallest amount of makeup possible. I don't really care. I really don't. There's that. It just melts off anyways. Like, there really is no point to it. I'm actually going to put my hair ties in my makeup bag. It just makes more sense to me in there. So that will go in the morning of.